Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cokes, and welcome back to another vloggy vlog. Please ignore the way I look. I'm going to salon after this video. Just ignore, like, you know, I look like sorry, but that's not the point of this video. The main reason or the main point of this video is to finally do an unboxing. I've had this with me for weeks, if not up to a month now, but for some reason I just haven't had the time to sit down and, you know, chat with you guys and show you guys my new camera equipment. I'm currently filming with my old camera, which is the Sony A6400 with the Sigma 60mm lens. You guys have been asking me what camera I use for the longest time, and to be honest, it actually hurts me when I take my time to put my camera equipment in my description box and nobody gets to check it. Or I mean, some people do. I mean, those people that don't ask me, they do, but it's always there. So please, if you're trying to look for what I use to film, please check the description box before sending me messages or before cursing me out that I'm not telling what I'm using. And it's been doing a great job for me so far, but the only problem, well, it's not a problem because I've been able to make it work, but the issue I have with this is there is no microphone jack, so most of the audio you're hearing is inbuilt camera audio. It's pretty good, but I feel like I need an upgrade. I've been using this vlogging camera since 2015 or 16, I believe. So following the theft of my other camera, my Canon with 2 of my lenses, I figured I'd upgrade to something much more like into what I do now, which is lifestyle. If you've been watching me for 3 to 4 years now, almost 4 years, that's crazy. I started with beauty videos, so that was why I used my Canon, but now I'm more into lifestyle. That's what makes me happy. Anyway, so now that I'm into, like, you know, vlogs, lifestyle content, I decided to lean towards the Sony family because I mean I was already part of the Sony family, so I just wanted to upgrade because I prefer the video quality of this camera amongst other things in line with what I do. So just bear that in mind. So yeah, enough of the rambling. I ordered all my gadgets via ShareShopShip. I'll leave their Instagram on the screen. No, it's not sponsored, but they have a very good customer service and all of that stuff. They're very good. Check them out on Instagram. I'll leave their Instagram on the screen on the description box, so check both and you'll find it. So yeah, like I said, I ordered from ShareShopShip, and this is the first box it came in. It's so huge. This is the second box it came in, and first bag, ShareShopShip, Vivi Coco. No, it's Vivian. Oh, by the way, it's like my new name is Vivi Coco. And this is the second bag, final bag. So yeah, who can guess the camera I decided to get? I mean, some of you already know, but I don't know why I'm feeling so brand new. Like, please just pardon me, I'm just excited. And oh yeah, this video is all over the place, but before I show you guys, sorry I'm taking too long, I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that reached out to me during my sad phase, after I posted that video. Like I said in the following vlog, the response was immense, way above my expectations. So I want to say a huge thank you to everyone that reached out to me and everyone that supported me one way or the other. I really appreciate all your love, support, encouragement, everything. Thank you so much for that. I just felt like thanking you guys again. But anyway, okay, so the camera I got is the Sony A6400, and this is what it looks like. This is my new baby. Guys, if you don't know, I'm traveling to the village tomorrow, so this unboxing is actually needed because this is the camera gear I'll be using in the village. So I'm so excited. Oh my god, like, wow. So this is the camera I opted for, and as I go on my vlogs, I would enlighten you guys on some of the features I really love, because I'm here to like study the camera, but I know it shoots 4K, so maybe I will be exploring that option. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, this is the camera I got. Let me quickly open it. I don't know why I'm just showing you guys the box. Like, let me quickly open it. This is the box. So wow, I'm so happy. Like, you guys have no, oh my god, no. All right. So guys, this is the camera. Anyway guys, so this is the camera. So I opted to buy the body and the kit lens. I wanted to buy just the body, but I'm like, you know what, let me just, the difference wasn't a lot, so I'm like, I might as well just get to the body. I mean, one extra lens doesn't hurt. So this is what, wow. So focus now. Still not known to focus. Okay, yeah. So this is what the camera looks like. This is the body. Oh my god, I can't believe this is mine. Like, I can't believe this is mine. So this is what the camera looks like. This was pricey. Yeah, it was a bit of a sticky one, you know. So this is what the camera looks like, and you know, it has the kit lens I told you I opted to get. Really love it. So cute. What else is in the box? Also in the box you have a battery, which is pretty much the same as my A5100. I actually thought it was going to be different, but it's the same, but I heard it's improved, so hallelujah for that. Hopefully it's true. And also in the box you have a camera strap. I actually love this. This is bigger than my A5100 strap, so, and it looks very sturdy, and yeah, it looks pretty firm. I really like this. And last but not the least, they were pretty like simple in the box. They didn't like do too much, nothing. Also in the box you have the USB cord and the plug. So yeah, so since I've showed you guys the camera, I'll go ahead to show you the lens I got. Apart from the kit lens, I also got another lens because yeah, I'm trying to take my videos to the next level, so I'm very big on investing in your craft. Unfortunately, my Sigma 16mm doesn't have any form of stabilization to it, and my camera as well doesn't have in-body stabilization, so I had to, you know, find another lens that could fill in that gap. Hence why I opted for this one, which is the Sony E10-18 f4. And this has optical steady shots, which would aid in the stabilization of my vlogs. You know, I'm always on the move, and I hold most of my clips are handheld, so I kind of want to make sure that, you know, you guys don't miss out on the crispness and stabilization of the shot, if that makes sense. So yeah, so I'm very happy about this. So oh god, Vivian, I'm not used to this unboxing. Like, I forgot to open. I'm just showing you guys the box. Pardon me, I really apologize for that. So this is the lens. It comes in this wrap. So this is what the lens looks like, and this is it. This is a Sony 10-18mm lens. Let me take this out. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be filming with most of the time. I know like a lot of people have been asking me to do like a camera, you know, what I film with, so this is another opportunity for you guys to know what I film with. I got a mic, guys. My audio quality is about to step all the way up. I've had a lot of good reviews about this. Trust me, I watched at least 30 videos before I decided on the mic to buy, because as you guys know, I already have like gosh, I even forget the name. I don't know if you guys know, but I already have two mics, so I wanted something that one of them is really big and the other one is slightly bulky, so it's a lot. I feel like it comes in when I'm doing like sit down videos. I have a different mic for that. When I'm vlogging, I have a different mic for that, and you know, yeah, so I wanted to get something that is small, portable, also with very good audio quality. So from all the reviews I watched, a lot of people were gunning for this one. And this is the video micro, like I said, and let me just show you guys what it looks like inside. It has the wind muff, it has the I don't know what this is called, but yeah, I think it's some form of mount. I beg your pardon. So let me, oh wow, it's so light. Oh my god, I'm so happy. So this is what the mic looks like straight out the box, and you know, yeah, all of that. The next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this. I feel like I'm so happy about everything I got, but this one, because I've been wanting to get this particular thing for at least 2 years now, but I wasn't really sure on the one to get. I wasn't properly like informed about it. Like, I mean, I've been hearing about it, I've watched a few videos, but like I didn't have enough information like I do now. So before I got this, I watched like another maybe 20-30 videos on YouTube about this particular item, and finally I decided to go for one which wasn't too cheap, too expensive, somewhere in between. And yeah, where is it? I've actually tried it. I've tested the thing before. Anyway, let me just show you. It is the Tiffin ND filter, guys. If you don't know what an ND filter is, it's basically a sunglasses for your camera. And that is because like I have this Sigma lens, which I know it doesn't have any form of stabilization, but I also plan to use it to vlog, and I'm very in love with the, you know, blur and all of that. So I wanted to get this ND filter so I can be able to shoot outside under the sun and still have that blur behind me. So this comes in handy. I love this so much. I do not regret it. I actually took it out a few days ago for a test, so I'll insert the clip right now so you guys can see. It was just me playing around and seeing rubbish, but I just want you guys to see the blur behind me. And I shot it with my Sony A6400. That is to show you, like, even if you get a cheap camera, you can still make the best out of it. Guys, I'm actually struggling to do my intro, but hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, Vivi Cooks. Forgive my crusty lips, but yeah, welcome back to another vlog. So in today's video, we're not really up to much. I'm with Francisca and Iman. Just wave, you don't have to turn, just wave. Some people are staring at me like I'm crazy, but we have to do this for the vlog. But anyway, yeah, I'm also testing out my new ND filter. Guys, I mean, can you see the blur? It's so bright right now, and I'm still using my old camera. I haven't opened my new one yet, so let me know in the comments if you know you noticed a difference, because I do. I can see the blur behind me. Normally I wouldn't be able to see the blur behind me because it's super bright, so I have to adjust the ISO and all of that, but this time around that is not the case, so I'm happy for that. Anyway, I'll see you when we get to Sewanu's house.
Oh, you
all right.
So
we're just walking
I make my debut on YouTube.
So we just got to Sewanu's house, and guess why we're here? We're here to see a dog. But yeah, that's why I got it. I was blabbing, and I shot it on a very flat profile. Let me quickly show you what it looks like inside. So once you open the pack, it comes in, okay, you have a manual, which I haven't read and I should read. I'm such a Nigerian when it comes to manuals. It's so terrible. I need to do better. I will do better. So yeah, it comes in this like purse, pouch, whatever you call it. And once you open it, guys, don't laugh at me. It came in like another wrap, but I can't find it, so I wrapped it with a tissue because this is very delicate and you can't just do it anyhow. And right, I'm not about to tell myself stories that touch, so I have to be careful, hence why I use like a paper towel. I'll actually switch it soon, but yeah, anyway, enough of me blabbing. This is what it looks like. This is the back, I think. This is the front. So once I screw it, you screw it with this. So once I screw it, this is what like you see. So it's a variable ND filter, so I can adjust, you know, wow, cocoa. Okay, yeah. So it's a variable ND filter. I don't know if you guys can see, so I can make it darker and I can open it up if I want to. This is by far one of the best things I've ever bought with my money in my life. Like, take it from me. So once I'm done, now I'm done with the, you know, most exciting stuff. Let's move on to the exciting stuff, which is you have a camera bag, a lens bag. This is a Pro Optic Lens Essential Cleaning Kit. Oh, what's this? I don't know. Okay, I think this is from Share Shop Ship. Yeah, so once you order from Share Shop Ship, they give you like some gifts, which includes all this. So this is one of them. So yeah, this card, this memory wallet is just an assurance that in 2020 finna have my life together. Hashtag if you know, you know. Next. So this is also part of the cleaning kit. It's actually a lot of ceramic. I have to read on this to figure out how to use it. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, I don't know what this is. So yeah, just a bunch of some other random things packed here. I've shared with you guys the most important things. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. I'm actually going to edit this and post this today. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing of my camera equipment. To say I'm excited is like the least of it all. I'm so happy, I'm so blessed. I feel so thankful that, you know, I can be able to buy this for myself, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys. If you guys don't watch my videos, how am I gonna make the money? How am I gonna like blow, like, you know, like, yeah. So thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for my village videos. I also did a video with Tayo Aina. I know he posted his like probably a week ago, but I've just been too busy. But stay tuned for that video. So stay tuned for the video with Tayo Aina and myself, my radio interview, and some village vlogs. Okay, let's go. Bye guys, thanks for watching.